I've created this link tree so you guys know where to go. If you want to support me as a creator and send in tips and a thank you message, you can do so through the support me section. If you want to private message me about the course or the mentorship, it's through the Twitter section. Thank you guys. Taking a look at Bitcoin again on the daily time frame, we can actually see that the fundamental news event the last 2 days really hasn't made an effect on current price. However, what I must say is that there still is another fundamental news event today. So literally we've had 4 this week. If you want to include Monday, you can, because that was President's Day. So literally it's all been no-go days for trading, because as we see here, there's been a lot of fake breakouts, fake outs. So we started going down, the fundamentals news event came, boom, back up. Here we started going up, then we went down, and we went back up. So we're just ranging these last 4 days. You can see over here as well on the Monday. Oh, sorry, my mistake. That says Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Yeah, so my mistake. This was Monday, President's Day. So it went down, then it went back up, then it went down. Here, went down, oh, sorry, went up, failed to break the high, went back down, came up a little, and so yeah, we just explained the rest. But yeah, so we're just playing around this week, aren't we? We've still got this final one today, so let's see what actually does happen. Don't worry, I've already marked out the levels for you guys in the last few updates. I will link the last update over here somewhere, top right corner. I'll probably even try to link the last 2 if it allows me to. I don't know, I've never done that before, try to link 2 videos in one. But I'll do that. So if you haven't watched the last Bitcoin updates, it's all linked here. Don't you worry, in the top right corner. But what we've been saying on the channel is on Monday and Tuesday over here, we were saying as long as we're below this line, we should be coming down, retracing back down to here. Because as we can see, if I get rid of this fib, just for now, we can see that I measured from here to here, and it gave us a golden pocket that we've had the last few weeks. And so just before we broke out over here, I was saying, if we fail, we can come down to here and still break out. Well, we did it in one candle where we just pushed through, and this creates the reversal wave. From here, we're meant to come down and lose this low. But did we see that happen? No, it did the opposite. It created the reversal wave. So we're reactors. We'd rather react than try and predict and say, yes, it's 100% dumping from here. No, this is not the correct thing to say. Although in our minds, as we're approaching, as we're coming up to it, approaching it, we should have in the back of the mind, in our back of our heads, that in actual fact, this is a push, this is a retracement before continuation. We need to have this in the back of our minds ready, so that if we see a bearish rejection over here, we know the path it's going to take. Equally, we know if you bust through this level, you've created the reversal wave. Now this means we want to meet its targets over here. So that's why I was shouting for many weeks on end, we're going to go to 24, we're going to go to 25k. And it eventually did occur, where we met 24k over here for the first time, dumped back down, and then we were saying don't lose this, and then we should continue back up to here. And then what if we can manage to push through here, then we've created the reversal wave and we're heading to our target. So this has all been playing out over the last few weeks, and we're still looking to meet not just 26k, but 27, 28, and 29k. This is why I was saying, talking about 30k target over the last weeks, because we've created the reversal wave. And so all you need to do, all is simply happening is we're failing to break the resistance. And so with that, we're rolling over to reset. And after resetting, we can go ahead and go again. Now, we would need to see this green box and this orange box held as support. If in the short term, you do want to go up. Short term doesn't mean we're going up there tomorrow. It doesn't mean we're going up there in 2 days' time. It just means in these next couple of weeks or so, as long as we remain above this box over here, we should, in the next couple of weeks, head up to here. Now, we can deviate from this path. What happens if we lose this? Well, at all costs, you then need to hold this green box and reclaim those 2 boxes. And then you will continue on the expected path. Do you understand that? So all that's happening is we've met the first target, and usually when we meet a target, we tend to form a pattern in the opposite direction. So we were running into this bullish, we met the first target, the 1272, and now we're rolling over and resetting. So now let's run into our target down here and reverse and create a pattern in the opposite direction. Do you understand that? So this is why I was writing, I think 2 days ago in my title, something like a bullish crash. So because nothing can go up in a straight line, we need to dip, and that's what I mean by a bullish crash. So you'll dip. The bigger the dump, the bigger the pump afterwards, essentially. But there's key levels that we need to hold. I've mentioned these today, but if all hell breaks loose and we lose this low and the moving averages, which we really shouldn't if we want to maintain this uptrend on the daily time frame, well, we could be coming back down into this golden zone over here. And at all costs, we need to remain above this 5 month support, because after losing it, that's where we should continue lower and lower and lower. And that's what we should be saying. As long as we're below this, we're going down. If we reclaim it, you're no longer going down. You've invalidated the bearish path. And so we return to the range highs. We're currently rejecting it because this is the first time we're tapping it. So even if you're bullish, this makes sense. So we're just resetting to have another go at it. And hopefully we can break through and head towards 27, 26, 27, 28, 29K. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you want me to teach you this step by step, I've got a course and a mentorship. You just need to hit the link tree down below. Once you take the course and the mentorship, you'll also be part of my group chat, which in the last week we've shared 2 cryptos that have pumped 100% by themselves. So everyone in the chat is up. They're all helping each other out daily. So hit that link tree. It's in the comment section. It's in the description down below. And yeah, you just hit whether you want to support me as a creator or hit that Twitter link. Yeah, you can just private message me there over on my Twitter, LouisVibes_. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.